Hello everyone, my name is Anushka Pandey. And I have completed my undergraduation from Chandigarh University in the domain Bachelor's in Microbiology, and currently I am pursuing my PGDM at IIBS Bengaluru, and I am here to present my views on the MOM program that we underwent last month. It was a spectacular experience overall. We got to learn so much from this program. Beginning from the very initial days, there were so many guest lectures and so many alumni connections that visited our campus, and they shared their experience in order to motivate us. So we learned a lot from them. Apart from the classroom learning, there was equal emphasis put on the outdoor learning program as well. Therefore, we had so many outdoor activities as well. Like we went on so many outings like the Nandi Hills, then the ALP, the Adventure Learning Program. So many activities took place outdoors as well that helped us develop our overall personality and also helped us gain so much confidence and the many different skills like teamwork, leadership, etc. Also in the campus we underwent so many group activities like treasure hunt, beach ball, so many activities in order to overcome our shyness and develop our personality throughout. So overall it was a great experience to experience this MOM session. Thank you.